So, here's how to keep your washing machine smelling fresh after the last load. So basically I just took out the last load, which was the whites, put them in the dryer. First I'm going to show you how to use a DLE3400W. Select your desired dry level. As you can see, it's not going to let you change the temperature or anything. And the reason why I use wrinkle care most often is because there might be either you're too busy doing something, or there's a long cycle for the washing machine, or something like that. So, I won't need wrinkle care because this is the last load. So, about this washing machine, when your wash is done, keep your washer smelling fresh by propping the door open overnight at something like this or something. For example, something like this. This allows fresh air to come in and circulate around the drum to dry out any remaining moisture from the gasket, the drum, this glass right here. Oh, feels like a compressor. Feels like a compressor. Anyway, simple way to keep your washing machine smelling ultra fresh. And about the sensor dry, my favorite thing about the sensor dry is where it keeps running the dryer until the sensor sees that your clothes are no longer wet. But let me show you something about manual dry or something. Manual dry applies to air dry and speed dry, which allows you to manually adjust the time. But 10 minutes is the minimum time the dryer will dry your clothes. And yes, it will let you change the temperature as long as it's pointing to the manual dry features. The default dry level is off. The default temperature is a high temperature or something like that.
Is someone calling me?
Something about air dry. Let me know in the comments what air dry is used for. As you can see, the default dry level is off. The default. Sorry if I didn't say for air dry. Now, for air dry, the default dry level is off. The default temperature is off. And the default time is 30 minutes or so. But you can adjust it to less time or more time. Less time takes away the time you want to dry your clothes. More time adds more. When you press more time, it basically adds more time to the desired time, the desired dry time.
Jelly bean.
And let me tell you something about the cooldown cycle. This cooldown cycle is what almost every single dryer has. This cycle happens during the last 5 minutes. Repeat, this cool cycle happens during the last 5 minutes. So that not only can it not only is it able to cool down the dryer or something like a drum or something, but it also allows any remaining heat to be exhausted outdoors after passing through the air filter. I'll just kick it back to where I had it. Oh, and another thing, you always want to make sure you clean the air filter. You always want to make sure you clean the dryer filter after use. Normally I scrape it off or something like that. This allows you to maintain proper airflow for your dryer. See that? Like it says, clean after each use. Insert filter before use. And before you begin to use your dryer again, you always want to make sure that your dryer filter is properly inserted like this. And the safety switch is always there for you. This safety switch kills the power when you open the dryer door, or should I say, it pauses the cycle when the door is opened or something like that. Even the start pause button is there if that happens, if you forgot something, or if you're in a hurry. Let me tell you about the delicate setting. Once you put it at delicate, the dry level at damp allows 5 minutes. The 5 minutes can be useful when you're in a hurry or something and you forgot to dry your clothes or something like that. Let me know in the comments what this flow sense is used for, because I'm not really sure about flow sense right now. Anyway. And oh my gosh. The last load's in the dryer. The last load's in the dryer. The last load's in the dryer. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. It was my grandma in the background. So you know, I'll just let. Well, oh, in case you're wondering why I had to prop the dryer door open, is to let any remaining heat escape from it. Wait, hold on. I'll just do this to get all that dust off the dryer.